Local news for Wednesday the 14th of November. Sirens will be heard all over the region tonight as the annual Wairarapa Food Bank appeal takes place. Collectors from emergency services and community organisations will be out from around 5:30pm to collect non-perishable food items. Entries are open for the 2019 Wairarapa Sheep and Beef Awards. Entries close on the 7th of December for the Sheep and Beef Farm Business of the Year and on the 7th of February for the Emerging Red Meat Leader and Shepherd of the Year competitions. A workshop today focuses on reducing rural crime and takes place at the Curriton Event Centre, with a panel discussion where questions will be answered will also take place with the aim of the FMG and Federated Farmers Initiative to provide information to better protect families, communities and properties. And in sport, the Wairarapa men's cricket side head away this weekend to challenge for the Chapel Cup, and the Wairarapa's inaugural Business House and Social Backyard Cricket competition begins next Thursday. Teams of 6 must include a minimum of 2 women. For local news and sport...